Welcome back, everybody, to night 11 of the 12 nights of BeastMode Christmas Camping.
11.
You want to go back
What's
over
up,
what
dude?
we did? What?
You look different. Did you shave or something?
You like my hat, do you? Oh, you're talking about my beard I had. I did. I took a little trim to
A little
it.
trim.
I thought you were talking about my beautiful hat.
I'm talking about your badass Viking beard, man.
That was awesome, yeah.
Okay,
Good
anyway.
talk.
All right, so tonight is night 11. Night 10, we got the first aid kit. Trying to go through these quick. Night 9 was the burner, the fire burner. Night 8 was my trip to the emergency room with the gummy bear, 9 million Scovilles.
9 million. If you guys haven't seen that one, go back, hit the playlist.
Yeah.
There's the 12 Nights of BeastMode Christmas Camping playlist.
Right.
Go back and watch that, and Steve gets lit up.
Man, it was bad. Okay, night 7 was the striker torch.
Awesome.
Night 6 was the LED lantern. Night 5 was your trip to the emergency room with the that was the truth or dab.
I wonder if she's trying to say something to us.
I don't know, man. Jeez, I hope, man. I'm
She's
scared.
like, if I don't kill him with this one, I'll kill him with a gummy bear.
Yeah, and then she waits till later to give us the first aid kit, you know. So yeah, okay. Anyway,
with the cold compress and everything. We probably would have ate it, right. And then really in the emergency room.
Okay, so night 4 was the walkie-talkies. Night 3 was the fireside chats card game. Night 2 is the hot toddies. Alabama Slammer.
Alabama Slammer.
And then of course night 1 was the
colored flames.
Holiday
flames that we've already got going in there.
Night 11.
Are you ready?
11. I don't know.
Man, Steve, this is
if I gotta
over.
eat something hot, man. Oh.
This is almost over.
Okay, yeah. It's bittersweet.
Let's see what we've got here. Or is it 1-1?
1-1? Like, was there supposed to be 2-1?
You opened the last one.
Yes, it did.
I'm opening this one.
Okay, go ahead. That one looks kind of soft too.
It's definitely an article of clothing.
Articulated?
I almost said that. That's funny. What's this? It's got an eyeball on it.
An eyeball?
It's got an eyeball.
Okay.
The model TD01.
The heck is it? Oh! It's got a light on it. Is that a hat? A headlamp hat?
I think it's a headlamp hat, Steve.
That is cool. It's a beanie with a headlamp built into it. Oh, well, that is freaking cool, man. It's not on.
I was gonna say, it's not very bright.
No. How do you
or
turn
is
it
that
on?
me that's not very bright?
There it is. Wow.
That's awesome.
Dude, that's handy.
Now I don't have to work.
Right, you got that big old headlamp thing with the battery pack and everything, and all you need is your beanie.
That's awesome.
That is very cool.
I feel like it's going. Okay, so it's got
all the different modes.
It looks like it may not have a blink, but it's definitely going lighter.
Yeah, a little bit lighter.
Lighter.
And then off.
And then off.
Yeah. It
Super
doesn't have a
cool.
blink mode?
Oh, I can turn it back on myself.
And go blind?
That's awesome.
That's cool, let me see that.
We're gonna have to share that, so don't give me lice.
That's okay. That's a good idea though, because especially when we come out late at night and we need to set up tents and stuff, and you, like I say, a lot of times you wear that headlamp or you clip your flashlight under your hat or something like that to have light.
Right.
Bam, there you go. We're gonna make a donkey trap later.
All right, that's awesome. Thanks,
that
babe.
is very cool.
Again, this was night 11, so we're almost over.
Almost had one more night.
Yeah.
Go back and check out the playlist to see all the other nights of BeastMode Christmas Camping.
Awesome. We'll see you guys back tomorrow for night 12 and the final night of the 12 nights of BeastMode's Christmas Camping.
Awesome. See ya.